Vague, and I am the principal of Pratt Community School. Pratt is located in the Prospect Park neighborhood of southeast Minneapolis. Pratt is a community school, meaning we are the neighborhood school for many families who live in this area of the city. In addition to those families, we do also serve many families who may work in this area and elect to drive their children in. We are truly a school that serves children from many different places. And at Pratt, we not only focus on academics, but we focus on the whole child. Because of our small size, you can be sure that all of the adults that work here at Pratt really get to know your child. And though there's no one here now because we're all in distance learning, one of our favorite things to do is to come together in the gym for our all-school assemblies. Sometimes that's to celebrate Kindness Day, and sometimes that's to celebrate one another for our all-school talent show. And at Pratt, being a community school means that our community really takes care of us. We are very supported by our community.
Hi, my name is Abshira Mohammed, and I have 3 kids in Pratt Community School. Because the principal is very kind and humble, and also the teachers are well educated and well trained.
Hi, my name is Emma and I'm in 4th grade. Take a look at me and see what this school made. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm supposed to tell you something about Pratt I like a lot. I love my teachers, I love my friends. Seems I'm in a community that doesn't really end.
Hi, my name is Warfa and I'm a 3rd grader. One thing I like about Pratt is strong connections between students and teachers.
Hi, I'm Mary Jane. I'm a 4th grader at Pratt. It's very welcoming, and I don't just learn about math and reading. I learn about love and kindness and gratefulness and helpfulness. I love Pratt School. It's such a welcoming place for me.
Thanks for considering Pratt School. For more information, call our main office at 612-668-1122 or go to our website and learn more about our virtual open houses that will be taking place in December and January.